You're standing at a crossroad. Should you take this job? Move to a new city? Say yes to a proposal? The fear of the unknown is crushing you. But Allah tells you,
فَإِذَا عَزَمْتَ فَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ الْمُتَوَكِّلِينَ.
Then when you have decided, rely upon Allah. Indeed, Allah loves those who rely upon Him. Uncertainty is part of life. No matter how much you prepare, you'll never know the future. That's why Allah commands, make your decision, then rely on Him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, and his companions, faced countless unknowns. Battles where the odds looked impossible. Journeys where safety was uncertain. But they moved forward. Not because they knew the outcome, but because they trusted the One who controls the outcome. Tawakkul doesn't mean waiting for signs to erase uncertainty. It means walking into uncertainty, knowing Allah walks with you. Comment, I trust Allah with my decisions. Save this for when you feel stuck between choices. Follow for daily Quranic reminders of hope.